What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Had several people asking for truck videos. Drive this truck, drive that truck. I only have access to a couple of them right now. And one of them is the 05 Ford F-150 that my dad has had since new. I think I may have already showed this in a previous video, but she recently got a new set of tires, got a fresh oil change. She does a lot of sitting now, hence the cobwebs. I don't know if you can see them, but there's cobwebs running from the door handle to the mirror. And lots of debris on the roof. Same thing in the bed. Little rope, leaves. This will be a pretty cold start. She does, this Triton 5.4 has been gone through pretty well as far as cam phasers and spark plugs, and it's had a new timing chain. I mean, it's been done, but she still uses a little bit of oil. And I bet since she's been sitting here for a couple of weeks, I bet we'll see a little bit of smoke out the tailpipe. That's where she was bought new, Jim Tidwell Ford. Been a good old truck. Good old truck. And it's got a straight old body on it. The interior's the worst part. It's just dirty. My dad's an ex-smoker. So, you know, it endured years of smoking. Plus, we have used this as, I think I've said in previous videos before, we have used this to haul crews to the job site, especially if they're out of town, far away. So, let's see, we got 176,077 miles. Here we go. Like a glove. No, that isn't the right phrase for that, is it? It fits like a glove. Is it smooth as glass, maybe? Maybe that's what I should have said. Purrs like a kitten. I do hear a little whir under the hood here. Let's see what we got. Probably an AC compressor. I don't know, we'll go drive it and see how she does. I gotta run to the pharmacy, run up to town, go to the pharmacy. Let's get her out and blow the soot out of her. Shall we? All right. Got good cold AC. Got a little rattle in the driver's door. Not sure what's causing that. Got a little one. Got a full tank of gas too. I like that. Since I don't have a car right now, I like a full tank of gas. I like a car to borrow and a full tank of gas. I'll fill it back up when I bring it back. When I'm done with it. Oh, we got lots of leaves blowing out of the bed. This is good that we're getting her out for a little bit. This truck has never been in an accident, never painted, always well serviced. It's a shame the interior, well, just the cloth, you know, it's pretty stained and ratty. But hey, at 15 years old now, shoot, it's alright. It still has a little bit of a cigarette stench to it, which I assume is probably, you know, in the climate control. Probably be there forever without some type of cigarette removal treatment. I'm an ex-smoker. I've been quit 2.5 years. My dad's been quit longer than that. I think he's been quit about 6 or 7 years. Smoking's bad, people. I hope the damage hasn't been done to either one of us too bad. But shoot, I was 30 years and heck, he was probably closer to 50 years. His doctors actually said they can't believe he doesn't have more health issues related to his years of smoking than what he does. I'd just like to have all the money me and him both spent on cigarettes for a combined total of, 80 years, 70, 80 years. Holy shit, we'd be rich. This has always been the smoothest riding truck. So smooth and pretty quiet. Just a nice smooth ride. Love it. Got the cruise set on about 67. We'll have to probably kind of change lanes. I think this guy's over here going a little faster. She is a real jewel. I'll get us a little hard acceleration up the road here in just a second. Smooth as silk, dude. That transmission shifts flawlessly. But that was to the floor. She's not super fast, but you know, she's a pretty torquey motor. We've towed a few boats with her, and you know, she does all right. We've pulled a couple of boats to Florida, just, you know, a little 17-footer, 18-footer, just recreational. What are they? The kind of, you can ski and fish, whatever that model's called. You pulled them to Florida. You can run 75, 80, no problem pulling a boat. So, the motor's got guts as far as towing. It's just, 0 to 60 or 0 to 70 or 80 is not going to light anything on fire, but it's quick enough. It's got plenty of power. Old 5.4, good old engine. I wonder what that engine made horsepower-wise in '05. I don't have a freaking clue. I'm going to take a dang guess and say, 280, 290, 275? Surely not over 300. I mean, I realize probably in the later years of the 5.4's life it made over 300, but back in '05, what would it have been? About 290? Y'all comment below. Like, subscribe, comment. I read all the comments. Like, so it, puts my videos out there in the rotation, in the so I can continue to do these videos. The more views, likes, and subs, that's what it's all about. So anyway, y'all have a good day. We appreciate you, and we'll talk to you later.